Breaking up with a toxic person can be difficult and emotionally challenging, but it is important to prioritize your own well-being and safety. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to break up with a toxic person. Prepare yourself. Before you initiate the conversation, take some time to think about your feelings and the reasons why you want to end the relationship. Make sure you are in a calm and clear state of mind before having the conversation. Choose the right time and place. Choose a time and place where you can have a private and honest conversation without interruption. Avoid breaking up in public or in a place where the other person may become confrontational. Be direct and clear. Be honest with the person about your feelings and the reasons why you want to end the relationship. Avoid being vague or blaming the other person. It is important to be direct and clear in your communication. Set boundaries. Let the person know what kind of contact you are comfortable with after the breakup and what kind of behavior is not acceptable. It is important to establish boundaries in order to protect yourself. Take care of yourself. After the breakup, take time to take care of yourself and your emotional well-being. Reach out to friends and family for support, and consider seeking professional help if needed. Follow through. It is important to follow through on your boundaries and not give in to the other person's attempts to contact you or change your mind. Remember that you deserve to be in a healthy and non-toxic relationship. Make it final. Make it clear that the relationship is over and that there is no chance for reconciliation. Be firm and assertive in your decision. Avoid leaving any room for confusion. Breaking up with a toxic person can be difficult, but it is important to remember that you deserve to be in a healthy and non-toxic relationship. By following these steps, you can assertively and effectively communicate your decision to end the relationship while taking care of your own well-being.